What can you see in this image? Yes, it's a butterfly and a spotted deer. Both of these are animals, but they are differentiated by certain characteristics. What is a major difference between these two? Exactly. Butterflies are non-chordates and deers are chordates. On what basis are these animals classified as chordates and non-chordates? It is based on the presence and absence of a notochord. And what is a notochord? A notochord is a rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development. Is this the only difference between chordates and non-chordates? Let's explore some interesting factors about the phylum Chordata. As you know, the members of the phylum Chordates contain a notochord, and what are the other major differences between chordates and non-chordates? Non-chordates are cold-blooded, while chordates are either cold-blooded or warm-blooded. For respiration, chordates have a specific organ called lungs, but in case of non-chordates, they respire through tracheae, gills or body surfaces. Chordates are triploblastic, coelomates and bilaterally symmetrical, but non-chordates are either triploblastic, diploblastic, bilateral, radial or asymmetric, and they do not contain a true body cavity, so they are acoelomates or pseudocoelomates. A post-anal tail is present in chordates, but it is absent in non-chordates. In chordates, 2 or 3 or 4 chambered heart is present and a closed circulatory system is present. The respiratory pigment like hemoglobin is also present in this category of organisms. In non-chordates, the heart is absent, and if it is present, then it is placed in the dorsal or the lateral sides. Due to the absence of blood vessels, an open circulatory system is present and hemolymph is present instead of hemoglobin, which is similar to the blood in vertebrates. Are all these organisms in the phylum Chordates have the same character? No. Based on some features, phylum Chordata is divided into 3 subphyla: Urochordata or Tunicata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Urochordates and cephalochordates are exclusively marine. These 2 subphyla are together called protochordates. As you know, both urochordates and cephalochordates have notochord, but in urochordates like Azidia, Salpa and Doliolum, they have notochord in their larval tail. But in case of members of subphyla Cephalochordata like Amphioxus, the notochord extends from head to tail and it is present throughout their life. Do you know one thing? That subphyla Vertebrata are different from the other 2 subphyla. Are all chordates vertebrates? No, because the subphylum Vertebrata possesses notochord during the embryonic period and it gets replaced by a bony vertebral column in adult. So, we can conclude that all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Compared with the other 2 subphyla, vertebrates have ventral muscular hearts with 2, 3 or 4 chambered hearts. For excretion and osmoregulation, a specific organ named kidney is present and paired appendages are present. It may be fins or limbs. These are some common features of vertebrate members. Now, let's discuss the division of subphylum Vertebrata. The subphylum Vertebrata is again divided into 2 based on the presence of jaws. Echinathans are jawless vertebrates which includes the class Cyclostomata. The members of the superclass Pisces and Tetrapoda have jaws and they are included in Gnathostomata. The superclass species consist of two classes. They bear fins, namely Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Classes Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and mammals have limbs and are included in the superclass Tetrapoda. Let's discuss the characteristics of different classes of subphylum Vertebrata in the upcoming sessions. Now it's time to recall what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.